Lead with 4.5 minutes left in the first quarter. The cutting goes! Jamming! Former NBA star Harvey Grant and the nephew of former Chicago Bull Horace Grant. There's Wade setting his feet. Kaboom!
Quick shooting offense. This is Paul George just lightning quick on that pass ahead.
Wade wants it and has it against the smaller Dennis Schroeder with 5 on the shot clock. Oh, that's so pretty. Schroeder deflected, stolen by James Johnson. Long lead for Wade. Touchdown Miami. 4 on the shot clock. This one's going up. And down. Quality win was against Houston.
Well, the other thing, Eric, is the turnovers. He continued to force. Look at another turnover. 16 turnovers now for OKC.
Wade hammers it down. Dwayne Wade with 21.
Them up, and it's airplane mode.